Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to hide the Gmail chat tab on your Android device. If you find the chat feature distracting, this quick tutorial is just what you need. Let's dive right in. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account so we can start making changes. Next, look for the 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen. This is the menu icon. Give it a tap to reveal more options. Once the menu opens, scroll down and tap on Settings. This is where you can customize many features of your Gmail app. Now, you'll see several options listed under Settings. Tap on General Settings. This will lead you to various settings for your Gmail app. After that, look for and tap Manage Notifications. This option allows you to control how Gmail notifies you about new messages, including chat notifications. Next, tap on In-App Notifications. Here, you can adjust your notification preferences. Finally, under the General section, you'll find the option to disable the Show Chat tab. Simply toggle this option off, and you're all set. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden the Gmail chat tab on your Android device. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.